If you're the chairperson of a meeting, it's important to know how to open the meeting. That's what we're going to look at in today's video. So the first step is to get everyone's attention. Good morning, afternoon, or evening. Welcome to today's meeting. I think everyone is here, so let's begin. If the meeting is online, you can check if everyone can see and hear you clearly. Can everyone see and hear me clearly? The next step is to thank everyone for coming. Thank you all for coming to this meeting, or thank you for your time today. Step number 3, announce the purpose of the meeting and how long it will be. The purpose of today's meeting is to discuss the proposed office New Year's party. It will take 40 minutes. The next step, number 4, is introducing yourself and maybe other people. If there are people there who don't know who you are, you can introduce yourself by saying your name and your job title. If there are people from many departments and many branch offices, you can say your department and location too. I'm Vicky and I'm assistant to the HR manager. I work at the Manchester branch. I'll be chairing today's meeting. And if you want to introduce another person, you can say something like, I'd like to introduce my co-worker Mary. She works in marketing at the Liverpool branch. Step number 5, apologies. In some meetings, people who can't attend give apologies. You can say this now and ask if there are any other apologies. I have received apologies from Jo. She can't be with us because she's visiting our factory today. Are there any other apologies? Next, number 6, listing the agenda items. Meetings usually have an agenda, a list of topics to be discussed. Each of these topics is called an agenda item. Let's take a look at the agenda. There are 3 issues up for discussion, or there are 3 items on the agenda today. Then you can say the agenda items. The first is location, the second is cost, and the last is entertainment. Next, in some meetings, someone will take notes of the meeting, what was discussed, what the outcome and decisions were. This is called taking the meeting minutes, and you can state who is doing this. Bob has kindly agreed to take the minutes. Next, it's time to start the meeting. Okay, let's get started. Or let's begin. Or let's get the ball rolling. You can introduce the first agenda item. Agenda item 1 is location. Or the first item on the agenda is location. To ask the other meeting attendees for their opinion, you can say, does anyone have any thoughts on this? Or what does everyone think? Or does anyone have any ideas? If you want to ask a specific person or group of people first, you can say, John, what are your thoughts? I'd like to hear the opinions from the sales department first. If the meeting is online and you need to share your screen, you can let everyone know. I'm going to share my screen. Can everyone see it clearly? And if you need to share your screen but you don't have permission to do this, you're going to have to ask permission from the person who is hosting the meeting. I'm going to share my screen. Bob, can you give me permission to do this? Okay, that's everything for today. If you follow these steps, then you should be able to open a meeting smoothly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.